Hey guys, Conan Fox here, back at it again with a brand new video. How you all doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. And in this video I'm going to be showing you more ways, more methods and strategies on how to grow your own Discord server. If you do learn something today and you do enjoy the video, consider hitting the like button. And I'm going to be doing something special for everyone that hits the like button. If we can get this video to about 5 or 6 likes, I'll be releasing my server template out for everyone to use. And I'm sure it'll help you grow your server even more. And if you do learn something today, consider hitting that subscribe button. You know, it only takes 2 seconds, guys. The button's literally right down there. It always makes my day. Now that out of the way, let's just start discussing the first method and strategy on how to get members for your own Discord server. So DM advertising, probably the most hated and negative way on how to get Discord members for your server. So let's go over to Discord and I'll show you how to do this. So as you can see, guys, I have made a tutorial server, a side server, just so I can show you everything that's going on. And the first thing I'm going to be discussing is probably DM advertising, the most hated way of how to get server members. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, you're going to go into your server like I am here. You're going to go over to this button which has your server title or whatever you have on it. You're going to click on it. This drop down menu will come up, right? Then you want to click on invite people over here, and then this little menu will come up. Now there's 2 ways of doing this. The first way is going through your friends list like here and just clicking on invite. Or if you have your own personal advertisement, you can click on this button here which says copy, and they'll say copied. And then once you've done that, you're going to join a recommended popular Discord server. So let's just use my community server for example. Let's go over here. Let's just DM this guy right here. So what you're going to do, I'll show you again, is just right click or whatever. If you're on PC, it'll be right click. If you're on mobile or whatever, just click on the name. You're going to right click on that. You'll see this drop down menu. You're going to click on just simply message, and a DM thing will pop up. What you want to do then is just simply paste in your link and then click enter on your keyboard or whatever it is you're using. I'm not going to do it because I don't really do DM advertising. So yeah, that's DM advertising, simply put it into a nutshell. Now without the way, let's discuss a second way on how to get server members. So there'll be more bots included in this tutorial, and the one I'm going to be discussing with you right now is PartnerBot. Now what you want to do, right, is go on your browser, so Safari, Google, whatever you use, doesn't matter. And then once you've typed in PartnerBot Discord, you want to click on this link right here, and it'll take you to this website and this web page. You want to have a quick read of this. It'll show you how to set everything up. It even has proof on people joining. It's a pretty good bot. And once you've done a bit of research and you've read about all this, what you want to do is just simply click on invite, wait for it to load. There you go. Once it's loaded, you want to click on here, and all the servers will come up. I'm just going to quickly invite it to this tutorial server. You click on continue. Make sure you give it all these permissions, otherwise the bot will not work. Click on authorize, click on I'm not a robot, and there you go. You now have PartnerBot in your Discord server. So let's go over here. As you can see, PartnerBot has joined. You're going to come back over here. You're going to do this command right here. So I'm just going to quickly copy and paste this command, just like that. And then if it works, the bot is offline, so it will not work. Yeah, so I can't really show you this one, but if you do PB ! setup, then it'll show you everything and every way and how to set it up. I'll have all these links in the description for each bot. So yeah, that's PartnerBot out of the way. Let's discuss another strategy. So I've actually only found out about this bot very recently, and I must say it's actually quite efficient and effective if you have only started and only just now set up your own Discord server. I'm on about the Xenon bot. Now you want to how to invite this bot, you ask, is just the same as partner bot. You shouldn't look it up. Click on this link right here and it'll take you to this web page again. Have a quick read. Well, there's not really much to read. You just want to click on invite. You want to click on here, the exact same as partner bot. You know, come down, find your server, click on it, click continue. Make sure you give it administrator permissions. Click on authorize. Click on I'm not a robot. And there you go. You now have XenonBot in your server. Now what you want to do, I actually only found out about this recently. You're going to just do some commands. So for example here I'm going to do exclamation mark template, exclamation mark template, list, and once you've done that it'll come up with some links and servers. Now you want to do is click on this top link right here. It'll take you to this other website and it'll show you all these templates. So for example, let's just start on this template. Now once you've done this, you can just click on this use button, existing server, copy this right here. So you can just do Ctrl+C or whatever you're using, and then once you've done that, go back over to Discord server, paste that in. So yeah guys, once you've put this command in, I'm just going to copy and paste this again. I should have to go out and do something, sorry about that. So yeah, once you've done that, a dialog box will pop up saying warning, are you sure you want to load this template? Be sure to read this part guys, because if you have made a server and want to change it, everything will be deleted. Just a quick heads up. So yeah, if you are okay with doing this, what you want to do is click on this button right here. I'm only going to do this because I've made a side server, so nothing's going to get affected. So I'm just going to click on this right here, wait for it to do its thing, and as you can see, all these channels start popping up on the side. So yeah, you didn't really have to do anything for that one. It done it all itself. It's quite an efficient and effective bot. I'm glad I knew. I'm glad I know about this now, and I really do wish I knew about this earlier. If you need more help with any of these guides and tutorials about bots and all that, if you want to join my community server, which the link will be in the description for. Without the way, let's just discuss more strategies. So OpenBump is another advertising bot, but this one is quite different. So all these bots are the same pretty much. You just look them up, browse them, search them whenever. You want to click on this link right here, and this one I'm pretty sure it actually shows you some commands. So I'm just going to quickly close this ad because we have no sponsors. So as you can see, just have a quick read of this right here. It'll show you all the commands and what they do, and when you're ready, click on invite again, wait for it to load, find your server and click continue. Be sure to give it all these permissions, otherwise, like I said earlier, the bot will not work. And then it'll give you a captcha to do. Just click on this box, and then once that's done, you have the bot inside your server. So let's go back over here. As you can see, online OpenBump is here. So I'm just gonna go in here, type in OB exclamation mark. I think it was, which one was it? Help. It'll give me a list of everything. So just have a look at this, and then I'm just gonna do this just for the sake of this video. I'm gonna do OB exclamation mark set channel, and then I'm just going to do hashtag general. There you go, the channel has been changed, new channel. And I'm going to do OB exclamation mark set invite. Okay guys, this is going to be the last bot I'm going to show you. This is going to be my last method and strategy which I can think of off the top of my head to show you. And without further ado, let's just go. So Developer Bump is another bot. pretty much does the same job as OpenBump, and what you want to do before you click on this link, the same as everything else, pretty self-explanatory. Go on Google or your preferred browser, whatever you use, and type in developer bump, and you'll see these links. What you do is click on the first one right here, which says PYS bump. Now this is going to be a different page, but don't worry, you don't have to sign into Discord on this one. Just read some of the info, read some of the commands that it gives you on their website and the web page, and then once you've read all this stuff, and then you want to come up here, click on add bot, this button right here, that'll take you to this. Come down here, select your server, blah blah blah, give it all the permissions, click on that, click on I'm not a robot, and boom. You should now see that, no, you can close that window by the way. You should now see that PYS bump's in here. Then once you've invited the bot, what you want to do is just come down here. These are all from OpenBump by the way, don't worry about these. What you want to do is just come down here, type in db !help or whatever command you want, and this list will come up. This is the prefix, which means that every time you want to do a command, you have to type in db ! before you do something. That's what the prefix is. I don't know if you can change that or not. Yeah, these are the general commands for the bot. So we have help, info, invite, premium. Don't worry about this one. Ping and uptime. Don't really have to bother with these. These are the main ones you want to focus on, if I'm being honest. These bump commands. So we have db set, preview, bump, and db pbump. This is a premium bump. You can only do this if you have premium, of course, and that's it really. You should want to focus on these commands right here, because these are the ones that'll help you grow your server. And that's all the information I have for you guys. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, if you learned something new, consider hitting the like button. Like I said at the beginning, if we can get about 5 or 6 likes, I'll release my server template for everyone of you to use. And if we can get about 10 members, or maybe less, 10 members to join my Discord server in the next 48 hours, so 2 days, I'll release my Gates of Heaven, my community server template for all of you to use. I'll have all the timestamps for these bots in the description if you want to focus on one bot, and I'll have all the invite links, all the commands, and I'll have all the support and everything in the description as well. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comments or message me on Discord. My Discord will be in the description as well. And that's going to be it for me. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Before I end this video today, guys, I want to give out a quick shout out to one of my fans, amazing guy, Josh Griffin. Thank you so much for sending this email to me. I really much appreciate it. You really did make my day. And if you are watching this video and you are still here, thank you so much. You really did make my day. And be sure to, if you want to, you don't have to, but if you do want to, message me or email me your YouTube channel or one of your social medias. And because of that email, and I really do like you a lot, not in that way, but like what I'm pretty much saying is that if you do watch this video, be sure to email me or message me, whatever, one of your social medias. That might be your Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, whatever it is, and I'll put it in the server description, or I'll even make an announcement on its own about it. And yep, see you in the next one. Peace.